Welcome to the episode number 2 ChatGPT Wealth Breakdown.
Let's start the decoding of the Chat GPT. ये टूल साइलेंटली क्रिएट कर रहा है मिलियनर्स, नॉट फ्रॉम द सिलिकॉन वैली, नॉट फ्रॉम द वॉल स्ट्रीट, बट फ्रॉम लैपटॉप्स इन स्मॉल टाउन्स ऑफ इंडिया. But the question is how ChatGPT is making wealth creation nowadays. Guys, इसका आंसर सिंपल है. And from today now onwards, let's start the journey. How this secret tool making people rich, और हमें भी इसे सीखना है. And I will break down how this one AI can tool make you rich. If you learn to use it before the world does, then you will be the global entrepreneur. What is AI? The artificial intelligence, the concept that gave us lot of knowledge into 10 into knowledge in the future, what's happening, database, everything you can learn from it and predict the future with AI.
There is a one computer, the people typing random thing into ChatGPT leads to various confusion. Are you one of them? Don't worry, I'm here for you. Your brother will guide you. You can see now the ChatGPT screen display on the video. Step 1. Always use simple language like I use prompt person typing on the laptop in the modern era with vivid and vibrant background. Step 2. When some error, write prompt, add make a correction. Then write yours prompt. Then after a few seconds your image will be generated like this.
Let's break down how real people are using ChatGPT to earn money today. First, the freelancers. Freelancers use ChatGPT to write blogs, captions, sales copy, 10 into faster. Now the ChatGPT can write your YouTube script, design brand strategies, build website और ये तुम्हारे बिजनेस को 24 घंटे 7 दिन बिना किसी रुके चला सकता है. सोच कर देखो, अगर एक एआई तुम्हारे लिए लिख सकता है, सोच सकता है और प्लान भी कर सकता है, तो वो तुम्हारे दिमाग अब सिर्फ लिमिट नहीं, वेपन बन सकता है. तुम्हारे लिए हर चीज कर सकता है. नाउ वर्क फॉर एआई दैट एआई विल वर्क फॉर यू.
ChatGPT द डिजिटल गोल्ड माइन. देख भाई, यहाँ मेरे 5 पर्सनल ओपिनियन है. सबसे पहले, ऑलवेज रेडी टू लर्न, फोकस ऑन योर को, परसिवरेंस एंड ऑलवेज बी ऑन टाइम, always maintain the time management, and it is directly linked to your path of success in this AI generation. ChatGPT is a digital laptop. It's work 25/7 for your business. And now future will be on we use ChatGPT in an effective way. As my opinion, guys. What about yours?
How nowadays office look like. The era has started now. The freelancer entrepreneurs YouTubes are all the AI CEO. Here's the formula we follow inside WealthWorks India. The WealthWorks formula, the diamond. First step, learn to prompt. AI सिर्फ उतना स्मार्ट है जितना स्मार्ट तुम्हारे prompts है, जैसे मैंने पहले ही बताया. Learn to ask the right questions. It's one of the most important technique that all the one are using, like prompt engineering. Second step, build AI system. Use ChatGPT plus automation tools जैसे Zapier, Notion AI, Canva Magic to create small systems that save time and increase the efficacy of your works and systems. Third step, automate income. Turn those systems into services like freelancing, templates और digital courses. ये सब तुम्हारे एक साथ ऑटोमेटिक इनकम का सोर्स बनता है. फोर्थ, scale with digital products. Once your system start works, sell करो वो प्रोडक्ट को to the world. That's how you build your passive income. A man masters this one title come on your page. Like future, AI rich or AI poor? What will you choose, guys? I was thinking, like you are come on this video, you will always choose AI rich. Let's start and break down this. In the next 3 years, there will be only two kinds of people. AI rich, जिन लोगों ने AI का यूज करके अपनी प्रोडक्टिविटी और पैसे मल्टीप्लाई कर लिया, एंड देन कम AI पुअर, जो अभी भी सोच रहे हैं AI हमारा जॉब ले लेगा, AI का ये खतरा है, AI हमें नहीं चाहिए. Like everything condition is possible, but the truth is, guys, AI will not replace people, but people who use AI will replace you, the ones who don't. This is the harsh truth. Will lead the future. Those who understand this concept as early as possible, those will rule the world. This is not a journey, this is the creation. And together we will create Wealth First India, where we decode how AI creates the wealth. Subscribe now and join the revolution, because the next millionaires won't be born in factories, they will be trained by AI. एंड गाइस, ये सिर्फ एक वीडियो नहीं, एक मूवमेंट है. आज सीख लो, कल दुनिया सिखाएगी. देन थैंक यू गाइस फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो.